Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. This is Junray and you are watching Kusher PH. So sasagutin ko lang yung question na kinoment ng dalawa nating um, followers or friends here. Yung question nila is, okay lang ba kung Tagalog yung isasagot sa interview? Okay, before anything else, before ko sagutin yung question na yan, for your information, andito po ako ngayon sa Dubai Cruise Terminal. So, nakabalik na po ako sa barko and I am currently working on board MSC Euribia. So, yung biyahe po natin is Middle East. So, every week bumabalik kami sa Dubai, sa Abu Dhabi, sa Qatar, Doha, and Bahrain. So yun. So welcome back to me sa barko after a year na nag-break. I mean nagpahinga ako. So yun. So medyo naka-adjust na kasi almost 1 month na and naka-adjust na din sa ating routine kaya yun. So, kumusta kayong lahat? And yeah, sasagutin natin yung tanong. So, unfortunately, ma'am, sir, hindi po pwede na Tagalog yung isasagot natin sa interview kasi yung question is in English. And bakit hindi pwede yung Tagalog? Kasi um, yung mag-i-interview is mag-i-English and most of the time, especially sa final interview, madami yan sila. Like 2 to 3 persons, 2 to 3 persons. Tapos may ibang lahi. So may representative from the company or from the company na a-attend doon sa interview or kasama sa interviewer. So yun. So kailangan English talaga yung pagsagot. For me, you don't have to speak really fluent, as in super fluent, like katulad ng mga you will sound like call center agent. Hindi naman ganon. As long as you are able to express yourself, as long as yun, na i-explain mo yung sarili mo, yung gusto mong sabihin, in English, masabi mo yung gusto mong isabi sa kanila or yung gusto mong sagot sa kanila in English, then that's good. Kasi every day, kung nasa barko ka na, you use English language on a daily basis. Tapos, doon mahahasa din yung English communication skills mo. Now, if you're not really that confident sa pagsasalita or paggamit ng English, then I would advise na mag-practice ka in front of a mirror or in front of the mirror. So, try to look for some questions, possible questions, na pwedeng itanong sa interview. Well, right now we have a lot of resources. We have ChatGPT, we have YouTube. Here sa YouTube, madaming possible questions and answers. Also, I also uploaded possible questions and answers during the interview. And also, you can look up on ChatGPT also on the possible questions. And then you try to answer them in English. And then practice. So, i-practice mo, try to come up with words or terminologies that is very relevant doon sa question and very helpful doon sa pagsagot mo. So, ganoon lang yung technique. And kailangan mo lang din maging confident and comfortable sa pagsasalita and while answering the questions. I believe I have already also uploaded some tips on how are you going to ace the interview. Patingnan, scan nyo na lang sa iba kong na-upload na video. So, yun lamang po. Actually, this is just a quick vlog. Naisipan ko lang din ngayon kasi matagal na akong hindi nag-upload ng video. Kaya ngayon, on the spot, ako. So, ayun, right now, it's already 12, almost 1 a.m. here sa Dubai. So, we'll be staying here in Dubai until tomorrow 5 p.m. So, dumating kami dito kaninang umaga mga 6 a.m. Okay? So, yun lamang po. I hope yung nasagot ko yung tanong and I hope natulungan ko kayo sa inyong question. So, again guys, if you have any question, just feel free to comment it below para next time sagutin ko in a video. Okay? So, thank you very much for watching and see you on the next video. Bye-bye!